I'm going to be having you use a website called thetruesize.com, which is going to help you compare sizes of different countries based off of the way that they look on a map. So we're talking about map projections this week and about how difficult it is to create the actual globe on a map and have the correct sizes of countries and continents on the map. And so this is just a fun way for you guys to kind of explore it and learn about it and take some time to kind of compare different country sizes. So when you go to the website, I just wanted to give you an example or show you how to do it. When you go to the website, it's going to pop up something that looks like this. You can look at the how it works, but I recommend just closing it since I'm explaining it to you now. So just close out of it, and I always close the ad just because I don't want to see it. So what you do is they automatically give you different country sizes like this. And if you look, this one is China, that's India, and that's the United States. And they're automatically showing you and comparing those country sizes to the continent of Africa. Now to get rid of those, you're going to need to right click on them and it'll remove them off of the screen. Now what you can do is you can search then. So let's say we want to compare Russia. So you can search Russia and it'll pull it up in the color, whatever color it is. I don't know if it's the same or not every time, but so it pulls up Russia in blue. If you look at the right hand side, you can zoom in and out on here. You can make it your full screen so you don't see any of your tabs. The only problem is I don't think you can search for another country that way. So then let's say we want to compare Russia to, let's do Antarctica because Antarctica looks huge. See, and then it pulls Antarctica up, and if I zoom out a little bit, you'll see that I have the blue and the pink, so the two different countries. Now what you're going to learn is this is a Mercator's map, and when in a Mercator's map, when you bring it to the equator line right here, this dashed line that goes through, the closer you bring that country or continent to the equator, the actual size it's going to be, okay? So as you get further away from the equator, the bigger these countries look. So if I bring Russia, watch how much it shrinks once I bring it down to the equator. It's a huge size difference, isn't it? And you can see the further away I get, the bigger it's going to get. Now I want to take the same thing with Antarctica, and I can move it. And the closer I get it to the equator, the actual size that country is. So when I actually zoom in, you can see here's Antarctica. If you look at a globe, you know that's the shape of Antarctica, and here's Russia. And I want to look which one's actually larger. I'm not sure. I think we can pick Antarctica. I think if I do, I can turn it. If you click on this compass down here on the bottom left, you can actually kind of swivel it around and maybe line it up a little better. So you can kind of see, I mean, obviously you can't cut it apart and piece it in there, but if we compare this, I'd say Russia is still bigger because this piece would fit right here, and there's still more to Russia than Antarctica. Now, once again, to get rid of it, you're going to right-click on them, and it'll get rid of them. I want you to just play around. So maybe you want to compare, no, you can't do continents, so I can't do like Asia. It won't bring anything up. See, it doesn't do anything. But you can do different states. So maybe I want to compare Wisconsin. There, and then maybe I want to compare it to Nevada. Now remember, the closer you get to the equator, the more true the size is. So you can see Wisconsin's smaller than Nevada. So it's just something for you guys to kind of play around with, compare the sizes, look at them, kind of, there's going to be a couple questions that I'm going to send out to you, but it's just something fun for you to kind of look at how distorted our countries get and how kind of stretched out and big they look when you get further away from the equator with maps because of the way that map has to be created.